Welcome to this quick and easy guide on how to block multiple words from comments on your Facebook profile using the latest update on the Facebook web version for PC. If you want to keep your profile clean and free from certain words, phrases, or even unwanted language, this feature is exactly what you need. Let's get started. First, open facebook.com on your browser and sign into your account. Once you're on your homepage, move to the top right corner of your screen and click on your profile picture. You'll see a drop-down menu, select Settings and Privacy. Next, click on Settings from the list that appears. This will take you to Facebook's main settings page where all your account preferences are located. Now, look at the left-hand menu and scroll down until you find Profile and Tagging. Click on it to open a new section where you can manage how people interact with your profile and posts. In this section, find the option labeled Hide Comments containing certain words from your profile and click on it. This is where the magic happens. You'll see a text box where you can type the specific words or phrases you want to block. To add multiple words, simply separate them with commas. For example, if you want to block words like spam, troll, and fake, type them all out in that box with commas in between. Once you've written all the words or phrases you want Facebook to filter out from comments on your profile, click Save at the bottom of the box and that's it. Facebook will now automatically hide any comment containing the words or phrases you've chosen. This setting helps you maintain a more positive and controlled environment on your profile without having to monitor every comment manually. If you want to adjust or add new words later, just follow the same steps and update your list anytime. Keep your Facebook space friendly, focused, and free from unnecessary negativity.